Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Jura XS90 espresso machine. And let's go ahead and make a drink. Today I'm using water so I don't have to clean the machine. But as it accepts water, it'll suck milk. And so first it'll suck the water. And it's currently programmed for 14 seconds. And that can be changed if you want more milk in your drink. And then it'll do espresso. And this is the cappuccino. The one on the left is the cappuccino. The one on the right is the latte. And that was pre-infusion, where it just does a little bit. And then this is the full shot. And currently it's set to be 1 ounce. And so you can see here that with the selector knob, I can pick hot water portion, milk portion, milk. And so like, let's say I go to milk portion, I'm gonna push the button. And this allows me to do extra milk. And this is just milk. And then as soon as I'm done, you can see the progress. But if, let's say that's to the top of my cup, then I just press it again and that'll stop the milk portion. Same with the hot water. Just press the button and it will do hot water until I press, oh sorry, it's out of this side here. Do hot water until I press the button. I think there is a timer on it too, but I'm going to stop it there. And then it asks me to rinse it, rinse the cappuccino. So when you're done making cappuccinos, then you should press the rinse button. But first I'm going to show you how to program it. So, because I don't know if it's to your liking. So what you're going to do is click products. You're going to turn it until you get to products, and then you press the button, then you select product. So that means you either select the cappuccino button on the left or the milk button on the right, and then you can also program, these are just all coffee buttons. So, and you can just program those two separately. And so let's go ahead and press the latte button. And you can see it's currently set for 1 ounce of coffee. We could, if we wanted to change that, then we press the button and then we start turning it up or turn it back. And we're done, we press it again and it says confirmed. And then we slide through, we can see the aroma or the, how strong it is to the max. Temperature is at high, which is what we want. Milk is at 10 seconds. So like, let's say we don't have enough milk. So we press in once and then you just rotate the dial until we get to say 15 seconds. And if that's good, you press the dial again and click confirmed. And then it says pause. So this is a pause in between when it makes coffee and milk. We're gonna take the pause out. So then we're just gonna go to 0. And then we're gonna press down to confirm, and then when we're done, press exit. And now you could select another product and program it. So like, let's say we could program this small shot of espresso. It's at 1.5 ounces. Aroma is 4 beans. We're gonna increase it, so we're gonna press the button. We're gonna go to extra strong, confirmed, and then exit. Let's just go through these products. I'm just gonna make sure that they're, yeah, that seems about right, 4 ounces. You can always change it. And then confirmed, next product, Oh, so this is just, these are just doubles then of this. So this is, you can't program this, or wait. Never mind. Aroma, so this is only 3, so I'm going to turn it up. Alright. Then we're going to exit. And I'm just going to turn up the water on this one. Oops. We'll go to 6 ounces. Then we'll go to exit.